There's filming. Alright, what's up, guys? I'm gonna make homemade fireworks for New Year's. My brother's cold because he don't have any clothes on.
Yeah.
Point the camera at me! This thing apparently whistles whenever you shoot it upwards.
Yes.
Ready?
Yeah. Hear it?
That sounds so creepy coming back down.
I know.
Here, put it up. I don't know if they'll be able to see the...
Nope, they can't see the sky.
Oh, it's so creepy. Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and fire all these off, and then I'll come out here tomorrow and find them. One's right out there, one's in there, and the other two are over there. You'll be fine, don't worry. Alright, you ready?
Yeah. Oh, you shot that one up on the house. Oh!
Those aren't fireworks, those are guns.
Yep.
Alright, so you retrieved one.
Yep.
Out of
Yep, bear.
the couple that I've shot. I think that might have landed in their yard.
Yep.
That one's coming back.
Ooh! Did you see that? Did you see that?
The camera over there. The bullet just landed right over here. There it is.
I saw the fireworks.
Well, get the camera over there in case they shoot some more.
I saw them all the way back there.
And later on, we're gonna be doing a firework.
Yeah, and
This is for America.
oh, it's on the house. Oh, where did it land?
I don't know. Here, let me turn on that other light. Oops. There we go. Now we go. That's a good question. Where did that go?
I think they're shooting them.
Oh, there it is.
I think they're shooting them off.
So there's one right over here. And then there's one right over here. Woo, that breeze is cold. Oh, there's another one.
Can we go back inside?
No, we gotta film it. I haven't made a video in like a week.
Can I film from inside?
No, because you won't be able to hear me.
Oh, yeah.
We'll just finish off these rounds and then we'll be done.
Just put two in.
Oh, is it empty? No, that one didn't go in all the way.
Oh, fireworks! I saw fireworks. Holy crap. That was a loud one.
America! That's right there.
Oh, yeah, I saw that. Nope. That's over there.
Two more. Then we'll be done.
Okay. Because I'm about to be done. Did you see that one?
That sounded awesome.
Can we go in?
Hang on, let's do one more. I want a double shot real quick.
It's hard to double shot.
Just gotta find another bullet.
There's one against the porch.
Where is it?
Now, well, did you get two?
Yeah, I got two.
Oh, I found a bit of rain or snow.
It's not snow or rain. It's not supposed to. I hope it's not. Alright, I'm gonna double shot it.
Okay,
Alright, let's go. So here's what we're doing next. Pyro fire, TNT, E-light, not E-light, I meant showers of sparks. So that'll be the next video that comes up. That's probably been out of focus the whole time, but who cares?